Have a nice day. Me one TD. Pretty easy lesson. Me one, both are flat tone, and then T falling, and then D is a flat tone. Me one TD.
มีวันที่ดีมีวันที่ดีมีวันที่ดี
มีวันที่ดีมีวันที่ดีมีวันที่ดี
Me means to have, or it means there is. Flat tone. Me. Wan means day. Wan, flat tone, means day. T. T, falling tone, is an interesting word because it has many meanings, as you can see here. To, at, that, which, who, place, an area, or land. And you will use it in all of those ways. T, I guess in this sentence it means which is. Me one, have a day which is good, which is D, flat tone. D, flat tone. So have a day which is good. Repeat after me. Me one T D. Me one T D. Let's have a nice day. Me one T D. Have a nice day.
มีวันที่ดีมีวันที่ดีมีวันที่ดี
มีวันที่ดีมีวันที่ดีมีวันที่ดี
ขอให้มีวันที่ดีขอให้มีวันที่ดีขอให้มีวันที่ดี
So what he's done is he's said call hi, which is a proper way of saying I request to give to you, right? Call, I request. Hi means to give. So I ask, I request to give, or I beg. So what he's doing here is he's saying, I wish to offer to you the experience that you have a good day. Call hi me one TD. You want to say that one? Let's say that. Call hi me one TD. Call hi me one TD. Call hi me one TD.
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, thetailanguage.com. thetailanguage.com.